Everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to derive algebraic identities, that is a plus b plus c whole square, and that will give us a square plus b square plus c square twice ab twice bc plus twice ca. So normally we are not going to derive this type of formula in the classroom situation because we have a overpressure. We have to complete the syllabus within a time. So due to the shortage of times, we are asked the students to memorize the formula. But today I got an opportunity to derive the formula for the benefit of the students. So I am very thankful to the Facebook platform for giving me this opportunity to derive this formula for the welfare of the students. So let's have a look how we'll derive this formula. So in this formula, this is my right hand side and this is my left hand side. So I'll start from the left hand side to derive this formula. So what is left hand side? Left hand side, that is given a plus b plus c whole square. So I can write it twice. That is a plus b plus c. Again I can write a plus b plus same thing twice. That will give you a plus b plus c whole square. Now I am going to apply the distribution property. A multiply by these things, b multiply by the same thing, again c multiply the same thing as well. So a multiply by a plus b plus c plus b multiply again a plus b plus c. Now last c again multiply by a plus b plus c. Now again I am going to apply the distribution property. A multiply with a plus b plus c, that will give you a square plus a into b ab plus a into c ac. Here I will multiply b with the same thing, that will give you a into b ab plus b into b square plus b into c. Here the last one, a into c ac plus b into c bc plus c into c square, right? All right. Now I'll write a square plus b square plus c square. These are all unlike terms. Now I simplify the like term. AB, here AB, here AB. So plus AB, that is twice AB, right? So AB also gone. BC plus BC, plus BC plus BC. 1 plus 1, 2 BC. BC also I have taken. Now CA plus CA or AC plus AC, that is plus twice CA. That is nothing but my right hand side. Hence proved. So I think now it is very easy for the students to understand these algebraic identities, how to derive. So I hope it is clear to everyone. If it is clear and if they really like it, please I would like to request to each and everyone, please share, subscribe and follow my channel. So thank you for watching.